Realme has launched its new budget smartphone under C series in India called Realme C31, and earlier it was first launched in Indonesian market. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C31 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a large 88.7% screen-to-body ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone includes a triple camera setup and a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses an 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UniSOc T612 chipset paired with Mali G57 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 32 or 64GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI R Edition skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.7 by 76.1 by 8.4mm, and it weighs around 197 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C31 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 8,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 9,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 6th in dark green and light silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C31 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.